Hey there, I'm making a quick video today to demonstrate how to set up conditional logic on a JotForm. So before I started the video, I created a simple form with two questions, two single choice questions. We're going to use the conditional logic to create a functionality where if an answer is selected as no, they'll just end the form. And if the answer is selected as yes, then they'll see the second question, which is what do you need assistance with? So before you want to set up conditional logic, say if you want to have a hidden question on your form, first you need to create both the questions or all the questions that you want to have on the form. Once all those questions are set up or all those form fields, you'll then create the conditional logic to determine when those conditional fields will show on your form. So normally that's based on what answer was given on a subsequent question. So say if, for this example, if someone selected yes, we then want to know what do they need assistance with. So in our conditional logic tab, after we've made our form fields, we'll do a show/hide field logic, and we'll select if you are in need of assistance is equal to yes, then we will show the field what do you need assistance with. So it's if you're in need of assistance and the answer is yes, we then show the question, what do you need assistance with? So let's try this out and see how it looks. So are you in need of assistance? Maybe I'm not, and I say no. And that's it. It won't ask me any other questions if I select no. But then if I select yes, I'll then have the second question pop up that says, what do you need assistance with? Then I can give more context and submit my form response here. So thanks for watching and hope this was helpful. There's other types of conditional logic you can set up on JotForm. I may make some videos on that later. The show hide field conditional logic is the one that I use most often and have found to be very useful. So thanks for watching and hope this helps.